Hello, I'm Anthony. Welcome back. So, I have been doing the Maffetone Method for about 6 months now. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the frustrations I've had, the mistakes I've made, and the benefits I've seen from the Maffetone Method over the past 6 months. Okay, so first, let's talk about the benefits. The benefits I felt is I no longer feel dead after my workouts like I did the first few years of my running journey. I feel like I could finish a run and go on much further. I feel like I could probably go on for at least like another 10 miles, maybe, at the Maffetone zone that I'm in, which is 121 to 131 solo. And I like the fat burning aspect of it. Even though I'm going much slower, I'm in a fat burning zone, so I haven't gained much weight through this whole pandemic.
Coronavirus!
Let's talk about the frustrations I've had. One of the main ones is I can no longer run in groups or with anybody else. People reach out to me and say, hey, let's go for a jog, but I can't do it. Why? Because my heart rate zone is different than theirs. So I'm going at such a slow pace that it would be so frustrating for them to be with me. So that is one of the first things I'm missing a lot about doing this, is running in a social atmosphere. Another frustration is when it's super hot outside, like it is here in the summertime where I live, I'm going at a snail's pace. I think I'm probably lately I'm doing like a 14-15 mile pace, which is damn near walking, you know? And like I actually see people walking and they're like keeping up with me. It's so embarrassing. So that's another frustration, is going out there during the extreme weathers. So what mistakes have I made through this? Oh my gosh, so many mistakes. I made actually 3 mistakes. I miscalculated my MAF zone 3 different times. I may have missed a word or 2 in the paragraph when I was learning how to put my MAF zone together. What happened was, when you do a Maffetone zone, you want to do get your maximum aerobic function number, and then you go within minus 10 of that. And I was going 10 up instead of 10 down. Pretty much doing that for a few months in the wrong heart rate zone. And then I calculated again, and I did the same thing.
Come on, man.
I was at 131 to 141 and I was going too high again. So then, with the help of this book, link will be in the description if you want to buy it for yourself. So my MAF zone is actually 121 to 131 for my age. And that has been grueling. So I'm like pretty much starting all over again. But I'm going to trust the process. I'm going to stick with it. I'm going to try it out for another 3 months with this correct zone and see how that goes. So that would be my number 1 tip for you. Make sure you're calculating the correct zone, because you don't want to have a bunch of time going by wasted like I did. That's my 6-month Maffetone update. I hope you found value in this. I hope it helps you in your Maffetone Method journey. If it did bring you value, hit that like button. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear how your Maffetone Method journey is going. So that is the question for this video. How long have you been doing Maffetone Method, and how has it been going for you so far? I'm Anthony, from one middle-aged amateur runner to another. Let's run for our best lives together.